Singer, singer.
Ooh, little Johnny in the place. Dance and singer in the place. Ooh, little Johnny in the place. But remember this. Well, I'm a laughing, full of well, sitting as a good. I should put my head to baby cry.
Will.
Remember that? Tell them man, people are strong here, you know.
Give me some more.
Yeah, man. Remember that? Tell them man.
Selassie.
Love to the max.
Little John.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Saint Elizabeth.
Laughing up full of well, treating us so good. I should broke my heart and made me cry. But can I rule and that's right too? Confess that you can read a story, read it to the magazine. And then all of a sudden when she goes on, and she still wouldn't listen to me. But when I call her up and I apologize, she tell me that she loved the good job indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Cause I know she wouldn't listen to me.
Lord, undercover lover means an undercover lover. Daddy Josey in the area. Admiral Bailey. Selassie. Lord of mercy, 25th anniversary. Saint Elizabeth as can stake your bed that will love you to death. So we tell them again, Lord, hey, like on a fussing and a fighting now go on. Just make we enjoy ourselves. Like on a looting and shooting now go on. Just make we live ourselves. This is now Admiral Bailey and the one little John. We move and spar and we move and go along. How large Josey wheel could have never gone to jail. And a long time with the you know we can't get still. Now we need still love from the God above. We flying and you walk like a turtle dove. And one thing we want them to overstand. Tonight is the night we have to love everyone, John.
Ooh, love for me. Me sing, say what you saying, and do. Sing it about people, come on. Cause I've got, sing out no money can, because crowd of people, I cannot sing. I love this little girl of mine.
So little John, no, I know that you're dangerous. And three of us, you know, we never make no fuss. And if a guy tests with them head back, I'm gonna bust. Don't run down taxi, we don't run down bus. Hey, what you want, son, you must understand. A long time we're there, yeah, we are the rum dance man. We are the three principal laws that before he can run down all enough here we eye. We love.
Come again.
Admiral Bailey.
Blessed love.
Sing with them. Don't ask for that.
Blessed love. Now this one dedicated to all of the ganja man them. All herbalists. Yo, look at John.
What else, Bailey?
You don't know the thing though.
What else, Bailey?
Come make we legalize the herb. I'm there to read down all of the coke and them. Boom.
Stop it!
Yeah, man, I saw the thing set, man. That's a
yeah, man. Who I go dance long time, I saw it used to go.
Yeah.
In the 80s.
Play it back, play
yeah,
it back,
man.
selector, play it back. Boy, boy, boy. Lord of mercy. All original ganja smoker. What you look at tell them, say? Come make we legalize the herb. I get to read down all of the coke and them. Let me tell you, legalize the herb. I get to read down all of the coke and them. Lord, sense me now. What? You didn't know? Why? I saw that deal in it. Boy. Only the Admiral can do it. Rum up every dance and jaman. Badamba, only the Josey can do it. Little John rum up every dance and jaman. Only Stone Love can do it, yes. Rum up every dance and jaman. Oh, so Little John, that Josey will and not Bailey have the mic in them hands.
Hold on, Bailey. I stare through my window and watch her as she passes by. If I don't know it, no people singing up, I work, we are working up. We don't work without the people. Well, I said to myself, I'm such a lucky guy. Luena, best side. Ooh, look here. To have a girl like her, it's truly a dream come true. Sing it, people, come on. How I want the fellow in the world, she belongs to me. And that part I'm one to help me sing, people, come on. But it was just my mind. Ooh, boy,
Selassie, Rastafari, Stone Love. Now tonight, I didn't come here to fulfill a domestic capacity. Well, I won't officiate. I will just appreciate. And I see a lady in a shine suit. And I know it's not she purchased it. It's her boyfriend who love her. Bought it for her. It name, anyway you're there, me see you. So, what does that tell you? That means you can't give the money, yeah? So you can't hide in a suit there. And you have to watch the clothes that your man buy for your woman. Because sometimes the man might tag the clothes them now. So them can track you anywhere you are. So be careful of the GPS. Yes? Selassie, run it, Stone Love. Tonight is the anniversary. Selassie, Stone Love. Wake up. Big people dance. Johnny Osborne.
Now I'm craving your body. If it's real.
We love. It's Little John Admiral Bailey and Outlaw Josey Whale. And the 25th anniversary. Big up the promoters and all the St. Elizabeth crew. Selassie, I know we're proud of this. Lord, sing it with me. Proud of Jamaica, man, me proud of it. Hey, proud of Jamaica, man, me proud of it. Lord, proud of Jamaica, man, me proud of it. Hey, proud of Jamaica, man, me proud of it. Yes, I want you to know that, hey, I am the man who will fight for the right and not for the wrong. What a bam bam. St. Elizabeth and me say what a bam bam. Outlaw Josey Whale and the one Little John. Admiral Billy on the microphone stand. Lord, hear me now. From 1962 we get the liberation. Hey, from the Queen of England. Dreadlocks run out in a them Rasta town. Baby madam come out with the feeling of them brown. Just a jam. Come it's a one time bam bam. Lord, but if you should trouble this or this man, it will bring a bam bam. A bang bang, Little John Josey Whale and the one Admiral Bailey come from Jamaica and you're proud that we ram dance all that we call party. And anyway we go St. Elizabeth Passy. Hey, I want to hear it from the Silo Passy. Make we hear it from Black River Passy. Make we hear it from Upper Magate. Make we hear it from Wheelo. Little John step on them lion.
Let me not tell a man for real, man. Yeah. Oh, remember this? Name look how them work us so hard. I can't feel me name go abroad. I talk about me smoke and jazz. I'm not afraid of flashing. I'm not afraid of flashing over my back. Not afraid of flashing, oh no, oh no. But the dance hall, Kakuko, the dance hall nice. Everyone a jump up, everyone a back. When me hear it from the Passy, like the Silo Passy and the Black River Passy. Well, them know Little John and lick it in a style. The dance hall sing a wicked and wily. Old dance hall Mike and Flash freestyle. Come and say massive, are you ready?
We love. Different tune. Selassie, I know people, we have to just take our time and bubble it up and build with vibes. I build with vibes in a scene. It's just like sometime you're jumping and you ask a girl, say, please let me get inside of you. And to give you the opportunity tonight and you weren't ready. So you have to build up your vibes. You understand? And all the Rasta them we are telling boy, I'm gonna kiss up. I'm gonna take a panty. We can't deal with that in a Rasta. Because they are not going to do that. I can't not on the virgin who wash the eye car. I go kiss up mommy upon her titty nipple. And mommy I go away. See me dealing. Say for the love Rasta, say go on. Selassie, run it, my lion. Saying,
some boy ever wait steady your time.
Lord of mercy.
Trying to play stone love sound.
Stone love.
Oh, my Lord. Will it take us in the back of my mind?
Rasta.
Boy, just to leave your sound behind.
Luciano.
Boy, I know you're not the only one who'd like to see it. Stone of losing in the law. Whoa.
Selassie.
But if only you'd agree. Whoa, yeah. You would back your sound and flee.
Now here comes a part 2 style, dedicated to all of my Rasta brethren. Selassie I live. Original people, original music. Lord of mercy. You should not see the bubble dreadlocks with the broom. Man, you should not see the bubble dreadlocks with the broom, lad. You should not see the bubble dreadlocks with the broom. Man, you should not see the bubble dreadlocks with the broom. Hey, John the bubble dread is a man who well humble. Walk from Rima straight a jungle. Up on them shoulder is a big bungle. And them sell them to you one thing. Wheel up. Selassie I Rastafari. Old time rhythm. Original music. Admiral, step on them.
Spoon love juggling, spoon love juggling, spoon love juggling, spoon love juggling. What about lyric faction? Me of the lyric factory, lyric faction. Me of the lyric factory. Make certain lyrics through meditation. Plus certain style of boy have them wrong. So the on top of the rhythm, so the on top of the version. Kick up on the rhythm, me say like a stallion. We come first and them come second. Ask my women in we are the ring champion. But lyric faction me of the lyric factory. Lyric faction me of the lyric factory. Ask my women name Lord of Mr. Bailey. Ram dance a town man and in a country. And now when the boy can't flash it like we study on science and technology. If a boy test him feel we kill me. Josey wheel and liquor John with Mr. Bailey. But lyric function me of the lyric function. Lyric function me of the lyric function. Make certain the lyrics through meditation. For certain style of boy have them wrong. So them on top of the rhythm, so them on top of the version. Kick up on the rhythm, Mr. Like a stallion. We come first and them come second. When it come to tune man we have that plenty. Have it in our land from we a baby. From Cornwall, make us sex straight to Surrey. Can't find a boy lord for flash it like we. Study on science and technology. Stone look, Mr. Bailey, say in the party. What about lyric function me of the lyric function? Lyric function. Are we a Silica John?
Stop that. Yeah, man. For real, man. We love the people. Colonel.
Selassie. Rastafari. It's a different kind of dances. While you're drinking and while you're saying to your female companion, baby, I am getting inside of your vagina tonight. And please remember to use a condom. Because sometimes the man them say the woman big is not the woman big, is the man them small. Yeah. So you have to understand. You have to understand. And sometimes you meet the right woman, she have the right vibe, but the wrong pum pum. Sometimes you bring the right woman with the right pum pum, but the wrong head. The washing, not so good. The cooking, not so good. But the hooking, very good. Excellent. So you have to just live. Life, everything don't come in a one parcel. Yo, an anniversary in a different kind of dances. You never seen that one yet. Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. St. Elizabeth. Hey.
I will never let it go. I will never let it go.
We love. So last time, Little John, Stone Love, Admiral Bailey, Father Paul, respect, promoter, go on. Hey.
I will never let it go. I will never let it go. I will never, I've got to hold on every day, in every way. But the things you would say just couldn't be that way. You'll never ever reach if you don't try it. Instead you keep on telling
Anniversary.
lies, just wait and
Wheel up, St. Elizabeth. This is from I, the outlaw Josey Wales. While I am standing to the I them, means I will never let you go. The word comes, I don't want to see the man stand up with them hand in my pocket. I feel up in balls like his balls juggling contest. Seen and son about like your granny did. Seen? Just cherish the dance and cherish the worship in the school room. Saying one more time, a lion. One more time, a lion. Saying one more time, coming from Admiral, coming from Little John, coming from the promoter. After we had done this something for 45 years, feeling praise up. Hey!
I will never let it go. I will never let it go. I will never, I've got to hold on every day, in every way. But the things you would say just couldn't be that way. You'll never ever reach if you don't try it. Instead you keep on telling all those dreadful lies. Just wait and see how things will be when I am free. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, 'cause I will never let go.
Wheel up! Here comes a part 2 style. This one called Kingston Hot. Kingston Hot. Little John, I want to tell them star. I tell them say, the youth them make a hustling by selling kiss cup up. Dreadlocks are jogging out them sweatsuit up. Bad boy and police, a fire pair shot. And if me never skill me woulda reached up cat. In a crisp boat box looking glass on top. 9 don't screw, hold it down and that. Kingston Hot. The people them attack how Kingston Hot. Watch how the people jump up a fire pier. Little John, we are gonna tell them again. Mama cook with food in the big dot spot. Put it in scotch, spanish pepper and it's so hot. Pick we up and liquid down we bunks right back. We there a long time from Michael Jackson was black. Long before even Bob Marley dreadlocks, you know we hot. We love. Come in, Little John.
Remember this? We say, wall up your foot and show your clocks booty. Show a crowd that people say you trash and ready. In me all a minutes can't see. In me all a minutes can't see. No love letter when she sent to me. And the telephone line is where she got me. She said, well, Little John, you know me love your badly. She said, well, Little John, I will accept your glad. You are. At Miami, she just had Miami. At Miami, she just had Miami. Look from me and go right down to me knee. That boy Little John look out you. Low. Ooh, I've been trying a long time till I can make it. Everything I try to do seems to go wrong. If I don't know it's singing of people, seems like I done something wrong. Why they try to keep me down, but to God bless no man could. Thank God I'm not the worst, but I must come one day. better must come. Ooh, ooh. Got me say massive, are you ready? Come again, pull that. I'm not barely where you there. Admiral, where you there? Touch the girl them for a minute. Ooh, sit down. Boy, nobody give me that. The girl like she mud up. Nobody give me that. The girl like she mud up. Lord God, cause she mud up. After me know this girl, Lord fam she small. No she get big, long and tall. Little Johnny wonder she wants to have fun. No, little John had the dance hard done. Dance hard, sing a long time my phone. Nobody give me that. The girl like she mud up. Nobody give me that. The girl like she mud up. Lord God, cause she mud up. Lower for me, lower. A lonely crowd and a bus to work and they dream. Sing it to me, people, come on. Ooh, the guy next to me have a woman in his arms. My arms are empty. Yeah. And how does it feel when the woman that you love say that she loved me? Sing it, people, come on. It seems unfair when there is love everywhere and there is none for me. At a party, some guys have all the love. Some guys have all the pain. My life is always filled with rain. Ooh, got me say massive, are you ready? Colonel.
Selassie, Rastafari. Admiral, the people them say you just sit down upon them, you know. And if a big man like you sit down upon a home and a stifle a shot. Saying, let's play a tune in the Malayan. Let's play a tune in the saying, let's play a tune Malayan. Saying, guys.
Now if a girl knows that she not ready for post my bike back. You see the big bum girl them? Come up on that. Hear what? It is a beautiful sight. I'm a love to watch. To see the young girl upon the bike.
Wheel up. Malayan. You have entertainer or you have play entertainer. Yo. No, don't worry. You're just a kid. And I must tell you, G-Fuss, I must call G-Fuss a P-U-S-S-Y. Because he should have trained you and say to you, Liquor John and Admiral Bailey is coming there. These guys, they are from the 70s. They're the last of the Mohican. They call them the fossil. Yes? So you must train yourself to entertain them. Last Monday, I am 60. Yes? That's a whole lot. West Indies bowl out for 58 already. And that is 11-man score. So if me alone make 60, that me enough for proud of me. Saying, everybody love it, say go on. Rastafari, Selassie. Run it, youth. We always encourage the youth them. Selassie.
It's
Rastafari.
Ow.
Frankie Paul.
How tomorrow will bring better you,
Selassie.
better me. Then we'll show this world we got more we could be. So don't you ever give up on your hopes and your dreams. We gotta get up, get into it, get it on. To be strong, we can fly if we can to a whole lot of place. We can do anything we want with a smile on your face. We can go.
Rastafari, come in, Admiral. Come inside a Marcia. Come inside a Sherrod. Come inside a Joan.
Pull up. You see, well, I know, my friend has set me up star. And me and him drive come down here, you know, and him know say my foot kind of give me a little problem. That's why every little chance I get my whole one sit down And the mother tell her, say, I sit up by the star, and the door before at me. But don't worry yourself, because you don't know. Every time them call upon me, I get up. But one sit down, because I have to rest the foot, right? Anyway, that what I know, you don't know the original, you know, all of the man that love the punani, you know, because you don't know, say, punani, we deal it straight. And we don't go around yourself in none. Lord. Boy. Are you ready? Lord. Hit me. Babble in a pen and you know I come back. Babble in a pen and you know I come back. Sing. Babble in a pen and you know I come back. Babble in a pen and you know I come back. What me say? Give me punani, one punani. 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 Coolie punani, Chinese punani, blackie punani, whitey punani, Indian punani, fat punani, maga punani, eerie punani, ball punani, big punani, small punani, good punani, bad punani, brown punani, black punani, yanni punani, foreign punani. Pull up! Put on the chillers.
Selassie, remember you the other day, come tell me. Wait up. A producer come to me the other day and say, Colonel, I want to lick back some rhythm. I'm me Admiral, you know. I play domino. He want to lick back some rhythm. I say, yeah, you feel lick back the punani. He say, yeah, the right rhythm that I'm going to lick back punani. Selassie, run it, Rastafari, Lord. Now I want the people to understand 2018 and we must set a New Year's resolution. Wrong move, we not gonna make the wrong move. Beg all the youths and not make the wrong move. Wrong move, we not gonna make the wrong move. Beg all the youths them not make the wrong move. One shirt from my back, not make the wrong move. You gun in your waist, that is a wrong move. Josey wheeling on the dance, not make the wrong move. Little John in on the dance, not make the wrong move. Guide and protect, Rasta, guide and protect because this is the island under the sun. Sweet sugar cane, it'll make a white rum. Tell all the youth them throw when they gun. Ain't a St. Elizabeth, we have some fun. We start from the start and we start from the end. Anywhere we go, we know we not beg no friend. Long time we there and a bus was king. So last say I were riding from way back when. Wrong move, we not gonna make the wrong move. Tell all the youth them to make the wrong move. Little John.
Mother looking sad, father him start school. Look like it's on the life of fit too. Sharon a pregnant, yes mama. Come and say she's sicky. Stop it! Rewind. Love on a St. Elizabeth. Mother looking sad, father him start school. Look like it's on the life of fit too. Sing with me. Sharon a pregnant. Family says she's sicky, should I know mama. Family see your sister fatty, should I know mama. Never pregnant, you can't tarry. But if you put me on to, I go sorry. Remember she is the only picnic. Last night you tell me you love me back. Sharon a pregnant, yes mama. Family says she's sicky, should I know mama. Family see your sister fatty, should I know mama. She ask some question, minister over she. Man only baby, yes mama. He might go buy you baby thing, yes mama. Your man good looking. She a bad don't know, mama don't know, don't know. Mama don't know, no. What's he kill you, want kill me, don't know, no. You can say kill me body, don't know, no. You can see what you lose the baby, don't know, no. Sharon a pregnant, yes mama. When me say she's sicky, should I know mama. It's alright, yeah. Ooh. Mother looking sad, father him start school. Look like it's on the live fit too. Stop it! Colonel, there's a Colonel.
So last year, I was fixing myself a drink. And I have to be careful of my two brethren. They purchased a drink for me, but I don't know if they have any food handler's permit. And I have to be careful because Because you have to be careful. And the man, them will go out, them watch them drink, and the woman watch you drink, and they'll Spanish fly you. And that's dangerous. Sex without consent is rape. Be careful. So last night, not these brethren, I'm just telling you women to be careful. When you go out, someone will spike your drink, S-P-I-K, Rastafari. This one was my first #1 in 1983. Them time the Vibes Cartel was 3-year-old. Saying, run it for the love it, say one. Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ. Selassie I. With nice. After me went to a dance a Clarendon, me and a big fat king named Pam. Dreadlocks at me reach at the dance gate. The gate man a hold up on me woman and one box me give me 9 blasted face. Fear money scatter all over the place. Babylon want dip him money in my waist. I'm an happy button with me big 38. Hear me now dread. Let go me and gate man let me come in Lord. Let go me and gate man let me come in. Hey, let go me and gate man let me come in. Let go me and gate man let me come in. You sleep on the cellar when me leave a pop in. Anything me eat it up the ice cold and green. Beetroot me ackee and me cabbage and green. Hey, over my shoulder is me M16. Under your arms me like rotten sardine. Me dance to stone love till me can't see lead. Hey, let go me and gate man let me come in. Let go me and gate man let me come in. From last 6 Sunday you not change your clothes. You know save a piece of water hose. You come and people dance get a pull it a pose. Boy, you love brag, you love show off. Hey, your mouth long like a shovel mouth sharp. Put my neck on a black and even chop it off. Me up it come back and it's still a laugh. Hey, let go me a ease up. Rasta, if you love it, say go on. Hey, just beat it, you know. Just beat it, Michael Jackson said, beat it. Say, Selassie I. This man named Leroy Gibbon. Gibbon. Proper spelling, Leroy. Leroy. You know the alphabet is only 26 letters from A to Z. In a foreign Japanese language have about 300 letters. So we are fortunate to only have 26. And I come before E, except after C, and the vowels is A, E, I, O, U. So we have to train with kids them. I can't send my kids go to bossy school and I come home and I stush uniform and I tell about me want me dinner. Coof. May I have my dinner, please, Dad? Because I don't want, but I want you to speak proper English just in case you may take a flight. Meet the people out there halfway. If I love it, say, go on. Admiral, you make them ready man of the 80s. Yes?
I try to make them. Hold on. Now, we are going back down. Pull up. We are going down a memory lane. Hey, you're wicked to me, you know, brother. The man here, me say me foot sick and the man that tell me to do the la move. Me can hardly walk, come out there, so me can hardly move. Much less we put on Dell up on the move. Why you bad? Now we are carrying down memory lanes. We are carrying down memory lanes. Now this one dedicated to all of the man that were straight. Hey, what day me I go Mobile and see them black off half of Mobile and some gear march and all them something. Me never know me that live in that Jamaica. Right now, hot water run out of me, I see him way. Run it! Boy. All of the man that wear say pum pum. Boy. What we look at them say? Hit me. No sodomite. No sodomite. No sodomite. No sodomite. American Lord, X-rated country, American Lord, X-rated country. Say in a man on you on 42nd Street. Here man a walk and a kiss up on the street. Me draw big stone, me go lick out 1 teeth. Me girlfriend call me, Billy boy don't do it. Like a batty man country, left them make them do it. You know, say batty man no they at Jamaica, but they can't mag up and whip on the corner. We will lick gunshot and make them left the area. Say what? Pool. Why, I tell you, we have to express ourselves. Me have it John, but me now back it. Woi. Jesus Christ. One more time. American land. X-rated country, American land. X-rated country. In a man you have 42nd Street. Batty man a walk and a kiss up on the street. Draw big stone figure, leak out one teeth. Girlfriend call me Bailey boy, don't do it. Like a batty man country, let them make them do it. You know, say game man on the at Jamaica, but they can't mag up and whip and no corner. We will lick gunshot and make them left the area. One Sunday in a the boiling sun. See two batty boy and me start run them down. But me never know the batty boy them have gun. One have a 9, one have a magnum. One shot out of the gun. Everybody start run. Fire them shot until them shot it done. And when them shot done, me start shoot them down. Every kick the batty boy the word from me tongue. Poof! See girl there, go and go do your thing. Poof! See mule there, go and go give him grass. You don't like ride mule, but you love ride man ass. No son.
See with him. Why me telling the people? Ooh, yeah. What the mix there? What the mix? I want to give it a mix. Go take it. Ooh, yeah. Go take it. I love me, girl. I love me, girl. I love me. Stop it. Rewind. Loving the people to the max. You don't know the thing said. I saw the yetis used to run. Ooh, yeah. Me girl, I love me. Me girl, I love me. Ooh, go take it. I love me, girl. I love me. I love me, girl. I love me. You know I'm pretty back. I just tickle me belly. In a the bed, I have to take out my tea. Little John, I love the sexy titty, but you see me now, girl, can't mind me. You see me now, girl, can't mind me. If a girl try that, I go dead for you. What she do? Sell a buffet, I go sell a TV. And go pushing, she have to pray to me. And say, well, little John, you me now, can't take it. I love me, girl, I love me. I love me, girl, I love me. Well, me, girl, I love me. Me girl, I love me. Ooh, let me say, ready, me said the girl not ready. And I like, ready, me said the girl not ready. Because the man when she a rush, who a Chevrolet. But my little John, would have been, she would have get. Dancer, sing a day a life under. And me say, massive, are you ready? Stop that. Voila, me have a youth when me aspire with. The youth here, and me a boss him, his name Rasnagos. Because little John, have a way, hey, you hear some man that have a bounty killer and boss artist. Little John boss the most artists. Wanna see him with him there? Come on, wanna see him with him? Cause, yeah man, cause we have a little Rasta here and one of the people in. Rasta goes, right there.
Yeah, pull up. Yeah, first of all I have to greet you with true love. Because without true love we are nothing. Joe! Rastafari, Little John, know yourself, Mitzi, Colonel, Admiral, know yourself. My name is Rastafari. Yeah, get it. Yeah, nothing wrong with me. Every time I'm alone with you, you just keep talking, you loving me. Yeah, you still blow my mind. Why won't you stop on the lying, girl? And why won't you stop wasting time? Yeah, I've got my share of lovers in some way, some gold. If you think you can turn me on, woman, I wish you would call to keep telling me this, telling me that. Saying on with you, I never go back. Here is a question that you wanna see. Here I am, baby. Pull on.
You think of that? Look. I wonder if one day that you say that you care. If you say you love me madly, I'll gladly be there like a puppet on a string. I'll be just like a merry-go-round with all the fun in the air. Ooh, one day I was feeling down on the ground when, hey, pull up! No, you're the man up, hey, you're the bike man, I beg the other man pull up, bitches. Bikers, I beg I pull up, better. All bikers, large up, Little John love now. Yeah, man. We have black and shine, that's what you know. Come black and shine. Look. All the while, coming at me yard, well, like she big and she brown. Hey, girl, I want you to know, me I the one I feed it. Me woulda there with you. If you never tap me for me, and me woulda there with you.
You are one. Say some boy fool to the world. Now look no girl. Every day then get up and a run back a earl. Them fool to the world. Now look no girl. Every day then get up and a run back a earl. No for forgot. Make man a climb up and them babat. Them boy they them forget gunshot. Out of we 16, out of we glock. Don't like no forgot me we here too shot. Out of the 16, out of we pull up.
Colonel!
Just hold for a minute. The two brethren that came up here a while ago, please do your homework when you come in to work with us, right? For you, Little John brethren. Little John, you're a soldier. You're a soldier. I have a neighbor named Pauline. She's rude. I want her to rude to this man. What? Yes. Oral sex and all of that.
Let me tell you something, Colonel. The man draw the wrong song. Him have bad song and that for draw. Him draw the wrong song. I saw it go. You can't have a bad night.
But it's like life. You never get a second chance. So you need a little bit more, yeah? And you know, you need some pum pum. See, you need have a nice sister. She don't have no ambition, but she can't have sex good because them tell me. My brethren them go there and them tell me. I want to introduce you to her tomorrow, right? I'll pay for it. Don't worry about it. You understand? I'm a hard-working guy. Yeah? See it? Lip up! Yo, don't say you're sorry. Both of you. This is music. Cartel never know say maga bad. Cartel never know say maga bad. I still never know say maga bad. My father never know maga bad. Reagan Queen never know maga bad. Yes? TJ never know maga bad. So I saw you start the thing. So don't be afraid. You understand? Yeah, man. Don't be scared. When you gonna do your thing, just do your thing. We have done this for 45 years. I would never be scared. If we go somewhere the people them don't like, we would just say, hey, tonight is not my night. But we do it tomorrow night again and again and again and again and again. Everybody love it, say, go on. Selassie. Rastafari. Run it, Malayan. Now here comes the part 2 style. Well, I want you to play my low. Cause the dance, play my low. The dance reach a level now. We appear big people in here. And the spenders them from foreign, I spend them money. So true we are old man. Some of them say, them want to hear if the old man them have some new lyrics. So before I go away, because he's up a lion. Before I go away, I want to make you understand, say, the old man them still a rule. Not because you hear 6 DJ on the radio and the money pull up and them friend and all of them stuff there. And we still do this and we are not mechanic yet or tailor yet or mason yet. We are still doing what we are doing from the 70s. See?
And you know, so none of them not do the amount of show I and I do right now until today. Because Little John, Josey will, Admiral Billy, one name can't stop call. Because enough entertainer where you are going with things at Jamaica, them can't ever go. They can't ever go to California. California not going to accept them.
Disrespect, but 3 years from now they retire. I ever understand? I am on my 14th passport now, and I give thanks. Rastafari now. This one dedicated to my Adrian. Play me low. This one named Love Triangle. Dedicated to my virgin Beanie Man and Bounty Killer fighting over Angel. The other day, my Admiral was saying to Angel, you must have got it good, girl. This name the Love Triangle. Wanna know if it's woman or it's man of the angle. In a them there's something Josey wheel don't tangle. Troublestone love and he will go in a dungle. Lord, leave me the man and bunty when I don't see them a war. Leave me the man and bunty when I don't see them a fight. Leave me the man and bunty when I don't see them a war. When them get back together, then we have to stay far. Be the man and Angel was on TV. While Bounty Killer called me from in Miami. Him say, hey, Colonel Josey, do you think it is right for the doctor take me Angel and I say it's him wife? Me say, Bounty, me a bad man, me no live me till life. The way me watch my woman, me no sleep at night. Me walk around me house with a big flashlight, and if a pin drop, wheel up. Selassie, 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 the Love Triangle. Me no keep mate. Lift up. The tree, lift up. Me have 14 and a half youth. 14 and a half for the next brother, because I didn't meet her with him.
What are the people that you were just going to say a while ago? 14 and a half. Oh, that could be. It had to be 14 and 15.
Biologically, if you had taken the test, then you would have seen shown up says positive you're the father of the child. So if you don't take the test and you know that the other man was going there whilst you was going there also, this half is for you, my Adrian. See it? So don't fight it. A 14 and a half. See? Give thanks. Rastafari. If you don't want it, say go on. This one named the Love Triangle. These are the Love Triangle. These are the Love Triangle. One know if a woman or is man of the angle. The Beanie Man and Bounty when I don't see them a war. The Beanie Man and Bounty when I don't see them a fight. The Beanie Man and Bounty when I don't see them a war. When them get back together, then we have to stay far. Beanie Man and Angel was on TV. While Bounty Killer called me from in Miami. Him say, hey, Colonel Josey, do you think it is right for the doctor take me Angel and I say it's him wife? Me say, Bounty, me a bad man, me no live me till life. The way me watch my woman, me no sleep at night. Me walk around me house with a big flashlight. And if a pin drop, gunshot I go bite. Oh no, it could not happen to me. Or I'll know. Angel would end up in a UC with 2 years box and 2 Mike Tyson job. Would I end up in a prison? She'd in a rehab. She'd have forgive me back me house. Me want back me van. Me not care for no one call me mama man. Me want back me change. She have forgive me back me ring and every money when me spend up in a Burger King. Me never see Beanie fight over Colleen. Look how she fat, sexy and clean, but it look like Colleen did I cook too much greens. While Beanie Man did want oxtail and butter bean. If you want another style, say forward. Selassie. Same tune, play me low. I have to ride out now, but before I ride out, this one named Belt. Play me low, my lion. As low as I can play me. See? It's named Belt. Lift up my lion. All the big man them were my age, a little Johnny is an Admiral age. We are wearing your pants with your muffler outside. It don't look good here. Leave the girl and make them show batija. Make the girl them show tattoo. Leave them here. Big man, stop that something there. This one named Belt. What am I saying name? B-E-L-T, Belt. What am I saying name? Alright, play me low. It's named Belt. Little John, Stone Love, Rastafari, Admiral Bailey. Play me low. Listen to this, play me low. In him, pull up your pants at your waist. You know, she says a big disgrace. We don't want them dressing the in our yard. Not even out how we get. Hey boy, I wanna promote. It look like on a must be donkey or goat. He's only animal walk with him body out the door. Me never dress so all when me poor. Me have gonna move from side of me, yeah. Boy, on the 2X rated and raw. It's only Cecile and stay so stressed around here. Maca Diamond and ladies are. People who don't know I'm not homophobic, but man mustn't go on too romantic, boy. If you want a job for advertise panty waist, look at work with Victoria's Secret, boy. We love. A lyrics me I deal with, you know. But I have to tell you about tough. Me tough from the 70s. Selassie. No, same beat. Before I go, this one here, hold on. I don't want them say a schoolroom this, you know. I don't want them say we are sing. Slap this. This one name Pushegod. That is what? Pushegod. Jamaican language, the part of from Miss Lou. In name Pushegod. Push it good? All right. Jesus Christ. Well, any man, when I watch a woman, them no love them. Now stop watch my girlfriend. Woman, you can't live with them, you can't live without them. Woman is man's greatest problem. But if I can't, you a push, girl, you pussy good. If I bike, you a push, girl, you pussy good. You pussy good, you pussy good. Girl, your pussy real good. When rain a fall, road slippy and sloppy, the corner them white deep and them wetty. Well, me say, come here, Miss Betty, from me get him in the left, girl, away, me happy, me have to give you truth. You push it good, you push it good. Girl, you push it real good. The way she give me bun, me have to change my name to Bunny. Seem like me born in the middle of the bakery. When me I give you money, girl, you notice me not check it. See me new Benz, like y'all go and correct it. Hey, me play a hit of them. Me hit me from the day start. Hit me, all of you some underrate me. Now the whole of them. You pussy good, you pussy. Wheel up! I don't want you sing no other thing in me. I say you pussy good. Pushegod, good. You push it. Anything where you push, girl, push it good. You push it good. You push it good. Girl, you push it real good. Hey, Rastafari now. It's my time to step up because I know the leg is not functioning right. Yes, Stone Love, promoter, St. Elizabeth, Little John, Admiral Bailey, proud of the item, saying Rastafari now, running Stone Love.